So here is my sorghum a little less than 2 weeks ago, which is obviously infected with a fungal pathogen, which I believe to be anthracnose. In this circumstance, most people and popular belief will run right to a fungicide. But it's actually the beneficial fungi and other microbiology that prevent the fungal pathogens by simply outcompeting them. So here you can see just 12 days later, all our new growth is pathogen free. Even though we didn't trim off the infected growth, it's not spreading. So if you see a fungal pathogen like this, or powdery mildew, the first thing you want to do is foliar spray a type of LAB, Lactic Acid Bacteria. Fungal pathogens all begin in the soil. So by diving into the microscope, we can see signs to help us prevent them in the first place. This clear, very non-uniform strand with no septi is one of those signs. Seeing a few of these here and there on the slide is perfectly normal and no cause for concern. It's really all about the ratios. So, as long as we see more beneficial strands like this one here that are nice and uniform and have obvious septi separating the cells of the beneficial fungi, we are in the clear because the beneficials will outcompete the pathogens as long as they have plenty of food. So check the description for more info on what I feed my fungi and the inoculants I use. Like and subscribe if you would be so kind, and check out the channel for a whole bunch more microscopy experience.